Want to see how I create the most gorgeous multi-layered resin box that's bursting with color? Let me show you. Welcome to Happy Place Creations by Connie. I'm so happy you're here today. Today we're creating something absolutely stunning. A beautiful multi-layered colored box that's going to blow your mind with all its sparkly, gorgeous layers. I'm talking pinks, purples, glitter, and so much colorful magic. So let's dive right in. I'm going to begin my project by mixing up some Let's Resin Epoxy. And friends, this is where all the magic starts. Remember to follow those directions carefully and mix for a good 4 to 5 minutes to get it just perfect. Then we'll start building those beautiful layers, one at a time. Are you ready? Let's create something amazing together. Now, I just want to point out to everyone that this is my very first time using this mold. So yes, I did a few things a little differently than planned, but you know what? I wanted to share this video with you anyway, because that's how we learn and grow together. So here's what happened. I'm taking these gorgeous, heavy glass-colored beads, and I'm placing them right in the top center of the mold. Now, what I didn't realize at the time was that this is actually going to be the inside of the lid. Oops! I was thinking this would be the pretty top that everyone sees when I pop it out of the mold. But surprise, it's actually the inside. But here's the fun part. I'm also adding these beautiful beads to the bottom mold too. So that way the top of our box and the inside layer of our lid will have that gorgeous matching sparkle. Are you following along? I know it sounds a little twisty-turny, but trust me, it's all going to come together beautifully. And this, my friends, is going to be our very first layer of this stunning box. Let's keep going. Now that we have all our beautiful beads perfectly in place with our clear epoxy, it's time for the really fun part. Adding some color, and oh my goodness. The mica powder I've chosen to use today is absolutely gorgeous. It's from Pearl X in this stunning purple shade, and let me tell you, it's going to make our box absolutely pop with color. I just love how rich and vibrant Pearl X powders are. They give such a beautiful shimmery finish. So let's sprinkle some of this purple magic into our project and watch it come to life. This is where things start getting really exciting. Now for this next layer, I've decided to use a darker, richer purple. But wait, I'm gonna throw in a fun little twist. I'm going to use some Let's Resin Ocean White to create a gorgeous marble effect. Ooh, this is gonna be so pretty. So here's what I'm doing. I'm adding some epoxy into a little cup with some of that beautiful ocean white, and I'm stirring that in nice and smooth. Then, in my other cup, I have my epoxy mixed with this stunning darker purple from the Pearl X collection. And yes, this is a deeper, more dramatic purple than the first layer we did. Now comes the magic moment. I'm going to pour just a little bit of that white into my purple cup, and I'm gonna give it a gentle swirl. Not too much, just enough to create those beautiful marble streaks. And then, ta-da! I'm going to pour that gorgeous swirled mixture right into the mold. This is going to give us the most stunning marble effect, and I just can't wait to see how it turns out. Layer by layer, this box is getting more and more beautiful. And here we are, friends, our final layer. Ooh, this is so exciting. Now this time, I decided I was gonna flip the script and turn things all the way around. Instead of purple as my main color, I'm going to use my gorgeous ocean white as the star of the show. And this time, I'm adding in my dark purple as the swirl to create that beautiful marble effect for our final layer. So I've just done the exact same process as the last layer, but completely in reverse. How fun is that? It's like a beautiful color surprise. So here we go, my friends. Are you anxious to see what's going to happen? Because I am. I can hardly wait to see how all these stunning layers come together when we pop this beauty out of the mold. This is the moment we've been building up to. Let's pour this final layer and complete our masterpiece. Okay, friends, this is the moment we've all been waiting for. It's time to unmold this beauty and see how all those gorgeous layers turned out. Oh my goodness, look at those layers. Can you see how the purple and white marble effects came together? And those sparkly beads catching the light. Just stunning. This multi-layered box turned out absolutely beautiful. Even with my little learning curve about which side was which. That's the magic of resin crafting, friends. Sometimes the happy accidents turn into the most gorgeous creations. So now I want to hear from you. Please tell me in the comments what you think of this box. Do you love the color combination? Would you try the marble effect yourself? What colors would you use for your own multi-layered creation? Drop your thoughts below. I read every single comment, and your feedback means the world to me. Thank you so much for joining me today at Happy Place Creations. Until next time, keep creating, keep shining, and remember, your creativity is limitless. Happy creating, friends!
Thanks for watching. I loved having you here today. If you'd like to see some of the items I make in my videos and more, you can find them in my eBay store. The link is conveniently located right down below in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. That's how my channel grows. Most of all, please share your own ideas and projects in the YouTube community tab and on my Facebook page, Happy Place Creations by Connie, so we can all enjoy your creations together. I can't wait to see what you've been working on. I'll see you again soon, right here on the same crafty channel, at the same crafty time. Happy creating!